Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 3 best 383-stroker crate engine products that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to boost the performance of your car or truck, these products are definitely worth considering. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 3, we have the Hierophos 18-8828 spark plug ignition coil wire set. Now, strictly speaking, this product isn't a full 383-stroker crate engine kit, but it plays a critical role in ensuring your engine performs at its best. Designed to fit Mercruiser 5.0-liter, 5.7-liter, and 6.2-liter inboard and stern drive motors, this ignition wire set is all about maximizing performance and durability. The wires are crafted with stainless steel conductors and a silicone coating, giving them excellent resistance to heat and wear, so you know they're built to last. In terms of design and build quality, Hierophos really delivers here. The silicone and stainless steel construction not only provides high temperature protection, but also ensures reliable engine ignition under demanding conditions. The inclusion of multiple wire lengths in the package gives flexibility for various engine layouts, which is a nice touch if you're working on a custom build. While it's not a full rotating assembly or stroker kit, it's a solid add-on for those looking to fine-tune their ignition system. On the downside, this kit isn't ideal for someone who's in the market for a complete crate engine package, as it's more of a complementary component. However, if you're fine-tuning your existing 383-stroker or similar engine, this is a great choice. The Hierophos 18-8828 offers excellent value for those looking to enhance ignition performance without breaking the bank, making it an ideal option for daily drivers and marine enthusiasts alike. At number 2, we have the Flowmaster Flow FX chambered muffler. While it's not a complete 383-stroker crate engine, this product is a fantastic option for enthusiasts looking to enhance their engine's exhaust flow and overall performance. The Flow FX series is designed to deliver a moderate, deep tone that adds a bit of muscle to your ride without overwhelming cabin noise. Perfect for daily drivers and street builds alike. The design of the Flow FX muffler is impressive. Its straight-through perforated core is wrapped with high-temperature sound-absorbing materials, which reduces back pressure and improves both horsepower and torque. The 409S stainless steel construction ensures excellent durability, and the fully MIG-welded seams make this muffler built to last. It's also incredibly versatile, with universal fitment that allows for reversible flow paths and compatibility with a variety of setups. In terms of value, this muffler strikes a great balance between performance and price. It's not a flashy upgrade, but it's one with tangible benefits to your engine's efficiency and sound profile. Pros include the durable construction, versatility, and improved exhaust flow. On the downside, you'll need to pair this with other components to fully optimize a 383-stroker engine build. Overall, the Flowmaster Flow FX is an excellent choice for car enthusiasts looking to enhance their exhaust system on a budget. Finally, at number 1, we have the Eagle EAGB 15405L03068 383 SBC Balanced Rotating Assembly, a true powerhouse for anyone serious about building a high-performance 383-stroker engine. This stroker kit is packed with everything you need to take your engine to the next level, including a balanced 3.750 cast crank, 5.700 I-beam rods, and hyper-eutectic flat-top pistons. It's a comprehensive kit designed with both reliability and performance in mind. The build quality of this assembly is top-notch. The components are made of high-quality metal, including 4340 steel for the crankshaft and H-beam rods, which ensures durability under high stress. The kit also comes with King SI rod and main bearings, plasma moly standard gap rings, a damper, and a 168-tooth flex plate. Eagle even gives you the option for an ESP armor finishing process on the crank and rods for added strength. Plus, with a 12-month limited warranty, you can purchase with peace of mind. In terms of performance, this rotating assembly is built to handle high horsepower applications, making it ideal for muscle cars, race cars, and high-performance street builds. The balanced components ensure smoother operation and less vibration, which translates to better reliability and power output. The only real downside is that it's a higher upfront investment compared to other options, and you'll need to pair it with additional components for a complete build. However, the Eagle EAGB 15405L03068 is worth every penny for serious builders looking to get the most out of their engine. It's an exceptional value and takes the top spot on our list for its quality, performance, and reliability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy building and drive safe.